If you're in a tight spot and need some quick cash, Oportun could be a tool worth considering. They offer personal loans ranging from $300 to $10,000 with affordable APRs, which can be especially helpful if you're facing an unexpected expense or trying to consolidate debt. One of the standout features of Oportun is how quickly you can access the funds. Once you're approved, you can get your loan through direct deposit, making it an ideal option for those who need money fast. The application process is pretty straightforward, taking just a few minutes to pre-qualify without affecting your credit score, so you can see what kind of loan offer you might get before making any commitments. What's also nice about Oportun is their flexibility. They have secured loans where you can use your car title as collateral, which can get you access to higher loan amounts, anywhere from $2,525 up to $18,500, depending on your car's value. Plus, the APRs on these secured loans tend to be lower than what you might find with traditional auto title loans, which are often much more expensive. If you're able to manage the payments and have a car title free and clear, this might be a good way to secure a larger loan with more favorable terms. However, it's not all perfect. While the rates are generally affordable, Oportun does charge an administrative fee, which can be up to 10% of the principal loan amount. This could add a bit to the total cost of your loan, and depending on how much you borrow, it could be a significant amount. For example, on a $6,000 loan, that fee could be as much as $666. This fee is added to your loan amount, so it's important to factor that into your budget when considering Oportun. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you opt for a secured loan, you'll need to ensure your car title is free of any liens or existing loans. This means if your car is still under a loan, you won't be able to use it as collateral. On the upside, Oportun's loans are a good option for those trying to build or rebuild their credit. They report your payment history to the national credit bureaus, so as long as you make your payments on time, it could help boost your credit score over time. Plus, they don't charge application or prepayment fees, so there's no penalty if you want to pay off your loan early. Overall, Oportun can be a solid choice for people who need personal loans and want a fast, affordable option. The ability to secure larger loans with your car title and potentially lower APRs is a big benefit if you're okay with using your car as collateral. Just be mindful of the fees and terms, especially for the secured loans, and make sure you're comfortable with the repayment schedule. If you need money quickly and have a plan to pay it back, Oportun could help you get back on track financially.